welcome back to Study Sprint. Today we're diving into the topic of the human skeleton. So in today's video, we will learn the names of different bones that make the skeleton, and then we will discuss the functions of the human skeleton. So the different bones in our body make up our skeleton, and did you know that our skeleton consists of 206 bones, each with its own specific name? So now let's start learning the names of some of the major bones present in our body. The first bone that we have is the skull. The skull protects the brain. Then we have the scapula. The scapula is a triangular shaped bone that is protected by surrounding muscles. Its common name is the shoulder blade. Next we have the sternum. The sternum is located in the center of our chest and is also called the breastbone, which is connected to our rib cage. We then have the spine. The spine consists of 33 small bones called vertebrates, which diffuse together as we grow older and become 24. These bones hold the body upright. The rib cage. The rib cage protects the heart and the lungs. Now our arm consists of 3 large bones. The first one is the humerus, which forms the upper arm. The second one is the radius, and the third one is the ulna. The radius and the ulna form the lower arm. The palm consists of 3 groups of bones: the carpals, the metacarpals, and the phalanges. So these are the carpals, then the metacarpals, and then the phalanges. Now let's move on to the bones of the lower body. So the first bone in the lower body is the pelvis. The pelvis supports the body and is also known as the hip bone. The femur is also known as thigh bone and is the longest, heaviest, and strongest bone in the entire human body. Next is the patella. The patella is also known as the kneecap. It covers and protects the surface of the knee joint. We then have the fibula. The fibula is the outer and thinner bone of the lower leg. It provides attachment for the muscles. Then we have the tibia. The tibia is a large bone located in the lower leg of the human body. It is also called the shin bone and is the strongest weight-bearing bone. Our foot contains 3 groups of bones. The first ones are the tarsals, which are these ones, then the metatarsals, and then the phalanges. Now our skeleton performs various functions in our body. The first function is to give support. Our skeleton gives shape and support to the body. The spine, for example, helps humans maintain an upright position. The next function is protection. So the bones that we have in our body protect our internal organs, such as the skull protects the brain, and then the rib cage protects the heart and the lungs. The human skull consists of 22 bones fused together. These bones cannot move except for the mandible, which is the lower jawbone. Then we have movement. The bones team up with joints and muscles to allow movements. So as the muscles contract, they pull on the bone, enabling the people to walk, run, jump, and engage in various activities. So because of these bones, we can perform different activities. The bones in the elbows and the knees are joined by flexible joints. These joints allow the bones to glide, swing, or rotate. The next function is producing blood cells. So red and white blood cells are produced in the bone marrow. The bone marrow is a soft, spongy material in the hollow center of a person's bone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more content like this.